What's this, huh? Your blanket? You like your bed? What's in it? Princess?
A princess.
Aurora.
Yeah, princess.
A princess.
Oh, you say it so nicely.
You princess.
The Princess Aurora. Hmm?
Toy.
Toy, yeah. Want to open it? No, not like that. Just pop it open. It's a little Winnie.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
What was the other one?